Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Saya Athallah Nasywa Fadhilla dengan NIM 19331014. Hari ini saya akan mempresentasikan tentang sea level rise. Global mean sea level has risen about 8 till 9 inches since 1880, with about a third of that coming in just the last 2.5 decades. The rising water level is mostly due to a combination of meltwater from the glacier and ice sheets and thermal expansion of seawater as it warms. Sea level since 1880 till 2020. The global mean water level in the ocean rose by 0.14 inches per year from 2006 till 2015, which was 2.5 times the average rate of 0.06 inches per year throughout most of the 20th century. By the end of the century, global mean sea level is likely to rise at least 1 foot above 2000 levels, even if greenhouse gas emission follow a relatively low pathway in coming decades. In some ocean basins, sea level rise has been as much as 6 till 8 inches since the start of the satellite record. Regional differences exist because of natural variability in the strength of winds and ocean current, which influence how much and where the deeper layers of the ocean store heat. Next, altimetry satellite. Satellite altimetry extraterrestrial observation of sea level. Altimetry satellites are equipped with radar, pulse emitters, sensitive radar, pulse receivers, and high-accuracy clocks. In the principle, the altimetry satellite was created to determine the global climate system, which is then described as follows: RADS. Observing global ocean circulation, monitor the volume of the polar ice sheet, observe changes in mean sea level globally. With this ability to observe topography and dynamics of sea level in a sustainable manner, the altimetry satellite is not only useful for monitoring changes in global mean sea level, but also useful for several other geodetic and oceanographic applications. Altimetry satellite Jason 2. Satellite Jason 2, built by Thales Alenia Space, use Proteus platform under contract from CNES France, NOAA United States, NASA United States, and EUMETSAT Europe. As the name suggests, Satellite Jason 2 is a continuation of the Satellite Jason 1. Satellite Jason 2 launched on June 20, 2008 from the 2W Space Launch Complex at the Vandenberg Air Force Base in California, US. This satellite can monitor 95% of Earth's ice-free ocean every 10 days with an accuracy of up to 4 centimeters. Satellite Jason 2 has the same orbit as Jason 1, 254 pass and 10 days of repeated cycles. Satellite Jason 2 placed 1 minute apart from Jason 1 to allow inter-celebration of a system. Satellite orbit Jason 2 has a good defense against the Earth, verifying gravity, solar radiation, pressure, and other forces. Satellite orbit Jason 2 verified at 2 placed natively on CNES, which is located in Cape. So, what is the causing sea level to rise? Global warming is the causing mean sea level to rise in 2 ways. First, glacier and ice sheets worldwide are melting and adding water to the ocean, and the second is the volume of the ocean is expanding as the water warms. A third, much smaller contributor to the sea level rise is a decline in the amount of liquid water on land. Aquifers, lakes and reservoirs, rivers, soil moisture. This shift of liquid water from land to ocean is largely due to groundwater pumping. So that's all my presentation for today. Thanks for your attention and hope this presentation will helpful for you. Thank you.